Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact tracker and active SIM. This ensures live reporting once powered. Once done, identify the vehicle's constant 12V, ignition switch 12V, and a solid chassis ground. Use a multimeter to verify voltages while someone toggles the key. Make sure to clear a working area near the fuse box. Prepare wire taps and heat shrink so connections are clean and insulated. You're avoiding guesswork and preventing battery drain by testing first. Now move to mounting and wiring. You will mount the tracker out of sight, but with antenna exposure for GPS and GSM. Under the dash behind panels works well. Next, connect the constant 12V to a battery-fed circuit and the ignition wire to an accessory-switched fuse. Use a fuse tap or inline fuse rated per device specs. Attach ground to clean bare metal and route antenna to a non-metallic area. Make sure to secure wires with zip ties and double-check polarity and fuse values before powering up. You power the tracker and watch for LED indications of GSM and GPS lock. This tells you the unit can see satellites and the mobile network. Once locked, send the test SMS or use the vendor app to request a real-time location and configure reporting intervals, geofences, and alerts. Enable ignition and tamper detection so you get meaningful notifications. If you don't get a GPS fix, check antenna placement, confirm SIM APN settings and data, and verify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.